Looking at the thumbnail, someone would click on my video, and after the video was uploaded, the thing I feared the most happened. My video got almost no views. Then I started looking at other YouTubers to see how they designed their thumbnails and what colors and fonts they used. By following this process, I learned one thing. Using the right tools and materials can make our work much easier. Thinking this way, I did lots of research and prepared a professional thumbnail editing material pack for myself. Over time, I kept improving this pack, adding new elements, but one day a question crossed my mind. There are still many creators who can create professional thumbnails. There could be mainly two reasons for this. Either they don't know how to create professional thumbnails, or they don't have the thumbnail materials pack that every creator should have. Thinking this way, I decided to give you a professional thumbnail material pack that I personally use, and even many other creators use to create their thumbnails. It doesn't matter what category your channel is in, because this material pack will be useful for every channel. But remember, to download this pack, you'll need a password, which you can find somewhere in the video, so don't make the mistake of skipping the video. In this pack, you will find everything that makes a thumbnail professional and attractive, like HD backgrounds, trending fonts, color patterns, special effects, PNGs, and much more. Because a good thumbnail isn't just a design, it is the first impression of your video. Alright, enough talking, let me quickly guide you on how to download this pack. In the description, you'll find the link. Simply click on the link and you'll be able to download the materials. And if you have any doubts, feel free to comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.